Hello, dear students. I am Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on number system example part 3 topics. So let's start. Here is the question number 1. What will be the unit digit in multiply of 658 into 539 into 436 into 312? So we choose unit digit number of each numerals like 8 from 658, 9 from 539, 6 from 436, 2 from 312. So here is the product 864 and the unit digit of product is 4. So 4 is the right answer. Moving on the next questions. What will be the unit digit in 3157 raised to power 754? So in this type of questions, we again select the unit digit amongst the numerals mentioned in the questions. So we select 7 from 3157 and working on 7 raised to power 754. Before starting these questions, I would like to show some things. Please see, unit digits in 7 raised to power 1 is equal to 7. Unit digit in 7 raised to power 2 is equal to 9. Unit digit in 7 raised to power 3 is equal to 3. Unit digit in 7 raised to power 4 is equal to 1. Unit digits in 7 raised to power 5 is 7. Unit digits in 7 raised to power 6 is equal to 9. Unit digits in 7 raised to power 7 is equal to 3. Unit digits in 7 raised to power 8 is equal to 1. So here we see after every fourth the pattern is repeated. See 7931 7931 and it can be repeated again and again. So we conclude the result. Unit digit of 7 raised to power 4 is equal to 1. How many times of it can be repeated? The result is always reflected 1. So conclusion is 7 raised to power 4 raised to power n is equal to 1. Moving on the previous questions. We need to working 3157 raised to power 754 for unit digits. We select 7 from the number 3157. 7 raised to power 754 is the expressions. So convert the 754 in 7 raised to power 4. So divided the 754 by 4. So we obtain 7 raised to power 4 in raised to power 188 and 2 is the remainder. So 7 raised to power 2. And this term is 1 and 7 raised to power 2